Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two platforms, which is ProtonVPN and Bitdefender VPN. So to get started with a quick overview of the ProtonVPN. ProtonVPN is a privacy first created by the team behind the ProtonMail, known for its strong encryption, no log policy and transparency. It's ideal for users who prioritize security, anonymity and open source transparency. Talking about Bitdefender on the other side is handled with a Bitdefender's cybersecurity product, offering VPN functionality with basic privacy features. It features suited for casual users looking for a simple VPN built into an antivirus. So we're talking about the best of this VPN. So this preference are best for privacy-focused users with journalists and power users needing a secure and anonymous browsing, which is part of the ProtonVPN's what is best for. Talking about what Bitdefender VPN is best for, it can be used for antivirus and also has a bundled VPN protection. And here's the downside about these two platforms. So talking about ProtonVPN, it has a lower speed on the free tiers, together with the premium plan is more expensive than most and fewer features for casual user who want a simplicity. Then on the other side, talking about Bitdefender on the other side, it has log connection, which is a metadata, which is part of the downside, and also no standard-alone advanced privacy features, and also has a limited privacy and a customization. And here's the overall conclusion about this platform. So you can just choose ProtonVPN if you want a strong privacy, open source protection, and a proven no log VPN with a great transparency. And on the other side, you can just choose Bitdefender VPN if you are already using a Bitdefender security tools and want a simple, fast VPN for general browsing and streaming. That's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about these two platforms. Thanks.